Hello guys, today we wanna see how to change video quality in Amazon Prime on Android. Okay? And well, the first step we're gonna do is find our settings in our Android. Okay? Once we find these settings, we're gonna find also this option called by boot number. Okay? Right here, we're gonna tap like 5 or 7 times. Okay. Once we tap this several times, we're gonna unlock this option called developer options, and we're gonna find this option in in the settings of our phone. And right here, uh, we're gonna find an option called network download rate limit. Okay, these options will change the video quality in Amazon Prime. We're gonna select the highest one. We're gonna select the highest one right here, and there you go. This is how you can change the video quality in Amazon Prime. Please, if this video was helpful, please comment and subscribe.